Hello and namaste. I am mother of a versatile boy and are looking for a versatile girl for marriage purpose. She should be versatile in kitchen and should be able to make thai. She can do part-time work from home. But if she want to go to office, she should be home before her husband to give him warm welcome. She should not have any bad habit like smoking or drinking. She should avoid holding hands in public because our son is very much shy. She should dress decently at home all times, even when alone with our son. If you are okay, we are okay. Mail us at pandays2012@.com. Thank you.
कुछ भी
Hello, I am Vishnu and I am only 55 years old. I am divorced 2 times, but I am very innocent. I am still looking to marry once again, and now I want to marry a woman who will not divorce me. And if she want to, she should be a divorce lawyer herself. Age group doesn't matter. Though ideally I would like to marry a woman younger than myself, because you see, I am very young at heart and other body parts too. I have everything girl needs: flat 4-figure salary and a Fiat. If you want to ride in my heart and my car, please write to me at vishy@.com. Eagerly anticipation for reply. Thank you.
Hello, we are proud parentals of Rahul, our only son, and we are currently looking for a suitable girl for marriage purposes. A girl should not be tall and should not wear high heels also. A girl should be willing to live with her in-laws and should like agarbatti smell also. A girl should not have any medical records in the past and should not ask for Rahul record also. She should be decent, should speak 3 languages and should speak to her mother's son-in-law only in his mother tongue. She should be good with household appliances and she should not like pet. If agreeable, please mail fresh photo to rahulsingh@gmail.com. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Hi, myself Karthik. You can call me K. I am an innocent divorcee, looking for an innocent girl who is never married before. Girl should have a strong roots, but should not eat roots like potato, onion. Girl should able to make all Jain dishes like Jain pasta, Jain bhaji pav, Jain omelette, and night time Jain love. Girl should not have similarity to my old wife, like long hair from noses are not welcome. Beautiful skin, beautiful heart is expected. I have no other expectation. Please, if you are looking expectation less relation, please contact karthik@.com.
Hello, welcome. We are modern parents and we are looking for a traditional girl for our son. The girl should be bright looking and she should be bright in her academics as well. She should have scored above 80% in all her life, but she shouldn't be a topper in her class because my son doesn't like anyone on top. She should like bright colors but shouldn't wear bright color nail polish, and she should never have bright colors in her hair also. And she should not have bad habits like smoking, drinking, etc. And she should earn less than my son because she is going to be the second engine to the family always. If interested, please mail your recent photographs in coloring letters to onlychauhan@.
Ji, we are a cricket loving family and we seek a girl
who's again very fond of cricket, and she should not have any third person in her life. मेरे कहने का मतलब है जी, हर करैक्टर शुड बी वेरी वेरी क्लीयर पिच्ड, क्योंकि जो साडा मुंडा है ना जी, ही इज़ गेटिंग मैरिड फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, एंड वॉट वी वॉन्ट अ गर्ल who is also going to make her debut in marriage life, and not only in marriage life, also in all activities. We don't like that girl who play only 2020 or one day match, because sada munda he never plays one day match or one night match. So we seek a girl should be very clear. एक girl और है जी, whenever his friends come, she should know how to behave with his friends, and as well as she should know how to carry the drinks table. But yes, she should not take the drink herself. So if you think you are the one who is a non-striker for our boy, then please send your colored passport size photo